Okay, now I'm going to change the back shocks. I've already got it jacked up and have a jack stand underneath of it, because last thing you want is the jack to fail and the vehicle end up on top of you. So make sure you have a jack stand under the vehicle. I'll go ahead and remove the wheel. Now we'll go ahead and see what the shocks look like. And I've got a nut at the top, and I've got another nut at the bottom with a bolt through it. I'll go ahead and see how difficult it's going to be to take those out, but this looks like a really easy fix. Okay, this nut right here will take either a 21mm or a 13/16 wrench. So I'm going to put the 13/16 wrench on this side. I'm going to use an impact driver on the other side with a 21mm socket. Okay, that came off really easy. Now I'll go to the top. In order to get this nut off, I have to take 13/16 socket, extension, and a ratchet, and go in behind this right here, right back here where the spare tire's at, and come up underneath. Put it on over top. Okay, once it's on there, I can go ahead and take it off with the impact. As you can see, the ratchet's hanging out back there in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and put an impact wrench on that nut right there and see what happens. Okay, once you get the bolts out of it, take a screwdriver and kind of pry it up from the bottom and pry it out from the top, because it's rusted in there a little bit. As you can see right here, got a little bit of rust. Just pry it up from the bottom, and right here, pry it out from the top. It'll come right out. Okay, this is the new shock. It's a reflex shocks and struts. I'm going to put the top on first. Okay, take the bolt and put your hand back in here, find the hole, get your shock lined up. You should be able to get right on through there like so. And then go ahead and start the nut. Don't tighten that down until you get the bottom bolt in and a nut started on it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a screwdriver in this hole right here. Let me get it lined up. Okay, got my screwdriver in there. Get my bolt started on this side right here. There we go. Now start it. I'll take the screwdriver and put it under it, and put it in there. Put the nut on it. But now we can go ahead and tighten both of them down. Now the bolts are tightened down, I'll go ahead and throw the wheel back on there. Repeat these steps on the other side. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.